Hello. The purpose of this video is to provide a walkthrough of Ideal, an open-source identifier name appraisal tool developed by the ScanL Lab. Developers must comprehend the code they will maintain, meaning that the code must be legible and reasonably self-descriptive. With identifier names accounting for, on average, almost 70% of the characters in a software system's codebase, developers need to utilize high-quality names for identifiers. To this extent, we propose Ideal, an open-source command line tool, that detects violations in identifier names for multiple programming languages. Currently, Ideal detects 19 linguistic anti-patterns in Java and C# source code. Ideal checks for these anti-patterns in attribute, method, parameter, and variable names. To provide better detection accuracy, Ideal supports project-specific customizations. Furthermore, as a static analysis tool, Ideal can provide developers with details around the type of violations that their code exhibits. Architecturally, Ideal utilizes some well-known tools and libraries for natural language and static analysis processing, including NLTK, WordNet, Stanford Part-of-Speech Tagger, and SourceML. Finally, the source code for Ideal is publicly available, and we welcome extensions and improvements. Before running Ideal, prerequisite software needs to be installed, and configurations must be made to ensure that Ideal can successfully run and be aware of any project-specific settings. Details, including screenshots, around setting up, configuring, and running Ideal are available on our website. These screenshots show how Ideal can be customized per project. These customizations are used by specific violation detection rules to reduce the volume of reported false positives. The customizations are divided into two categories, code and terms. Under code, developers can specify custom collection data types and unit testing packages. Under terms, developers can specify custom terms that belong to specific groups. In other words, these are synonyms for a specific term. For instance, the developer can specify generate, produce, obtain, and acquire as terms that are associated with a get-related method. In other words, if a method name starts with any of these four terms, Ideal will consider it as a get method. With the ability to support project-specific customizations, it becomes possible for developers to analyze multiple projects with a single installation of Ideal. Currently, Ideal is executed as a command line tool. When running, the interface informs when a file is processed and its processing duration. As and when a file is processed, any detected violations are saved in the output file. The output is in the format of a comma-separated values file. As the output is a comma-separated values file, it can be easily imported into any database for further processing or analysis. Shown here are just some examples of the different types of violations that Ideal detects. The complete set of violations or linguistic anti-patterns that Ideal supports are available on the tool's website. Thank you for watching this demonstration video. Please visit our website for more information, or to contact us.